Okay class, so we continue with the example of the cylindrical coordinates first. Okay, so cylindrical coordinates. So example 1, okay, I give you, okay, use triple integral in cylindrical, okay, cylindrical coordinates to determine the volume, okay, to determine the volume of the solid bounded by x square plus y square equal to 9, comma, z 25 minus x square minus y square and z equal to 0. Okay class, so basically you can see that they have a few equation here, and actually this equation is relate to your limit. Okay, and my question now is, what is your function here? What is your function here? Okay, because when you want to integrate something, you need to have a function, is it? So what is your function here, class? Yes, okay, yes. I'm not sure whether you answer it or not, but I believe that you can, or you have the answer. Yes, the answer here, your function is equal to 1. Okay, because of the word or volume. Okay, when it comes to triple integral and it said to find the volume, so means that you will integrate 1 as your function. Okay, so it will be something like this lah, 1. Okay, tak perlu tu, I mean maybe some of textbook. Okay, because I get this question from you, from your friend. Okay, the question is like this, and then have a limit lah. Of course, they have limit. Okay, for example here. So he asked me, what's the function here? Yes, the function here is 1. Okay, because we know that 1 is exists there. If even it doesn't we doesn't write it. Kalau maksudnya, if kita tak tulis pun kat sini, we know that this is 1 there. It's not 0, eh? If here is 0, so that means the whole thing will be 0, because any number, any times with 0, it will be 0, is it? So but now we have ds dy dz here, so means that here is 1, even though we didn't write it here. Okay, alright class, so we back to the question now. So since this is cylindrical coordinate, so you need to use a cylindrical, of course, which is you need to transform it become x, you need to become what we call r, theta and z. But maybe we just write first. So your function here, this one, and then we know that the axis or the coordinates now will become dz, dr, d theta. Okay, now what's the limit here? Okay, so the first limit here is z. Okay, the first limit here is z. So from the question here, we can see that they have two z here, z equal to 0 and z equal to square root 25 minus x square. So you just substitute here 0. But for the upper limit here, square root 25, okay, we don't want to write x and y anymore. We don't want to write x and y. We need to make it, or we need to change it, become r and theta by using this. Okay, by using this, you need to transform it. So I will just write here, so you can do it by yourself. So it become r squared. Okay, you replace these two into x and y, so then you will get this one lah. Okay, I just write here. Okay, if you want to check, you do it by yourself. Okay class, so now the second limit now it will be for r. R is a radius. Okay, r is a radius. So you will get the r limit from this equation, because these two we already use it. So now we left with this one equation. And same thing, what we do is you just replace r, x equal r cos theta, y equal r sin theta to this one, and you will get r squared equal to 9. Okay, you will get r squared equal to 9. After that, r equal to plus minus 3, and since this is r is a radius is a length, okay, it's a length, okay, so means that it's just a positive value. So we will consider from 0 into 3 lah, okay, which is we just take it a positive 3, okay, a positive number lah, okay, we didn't take it a negative one. So the r limit here will be 0 until 3. And how about your theta? Theta is the angle, okay? So then, okay, from this one, we know that it is cylinder. And we see that a base, okay, the cylinder base, okay, the cylinder base here, okay, it will be a circle shape, right? It's a circle. It's circle. So what's the angle of a complete circle? The full circle, what is the angle of that? It will be 360, is it? And 360 is equivalent to 2 pi. Okay, so it's a full circle. Okay, it's a full circle, so it will be a 2 pi, 360 degrees. So, but we don't want to write in terms of 360, we want to make it in terms of pi. So 360 is equivalent to 2 pi. Okay, so now we can solve this one. Okay, class. So I think for the solving, I think is I will leave it to you because it's not the main thing for this topic. The main thing here is how to transform from the Cartesian become cylindrical. So therefore, I just give you a final answer here, so you can try by yourself. Okay, your final answer that you're supposed to get is 122 over 3 pi. Okay, class. Right. So now I give you another one example. Okay, another one example. Example 2. So we will evaluate ex square plus y square dv. Okay, where is G is solid bounded. Okay, actually basically the sentence will be similar lah, almost the time it will be similar. So you just abstract the important things, okay, the important information here. Okay, by the cylindrical coordinates, okay, x square plus y square equal to 4, xy plane, okay, xy plane means the axis between x and y, okay, and plane z, okay, plane z is just plane z equal to 3, using, okay, this is a this is a cylinder, okay, using cylindrical coordinates. Okay. Alright, class. Actually, sorry because I'm not feeling well. I mean, I'm just have a flu. Okay, so now we just write first the integrand here, and then what's the function inside here? So the function here is this one. Okay, x square plus y square. Okay, but remember class, we don't want to have any x and y anymore. We need to replace x and y become r, so it become r square. Okay, if you still wonder how I get this one r square, you're just using the substitution. Okay, they have a substitution that I just mentioned just now, not only just now, in double integral, so I give you the same situation or substitution here. Okay, you just substitute this one into x and y, so you will get your r square here. Okay, how about limit for z? So limit for z is from 0 until 3. Okay, it's from 0 until 3. Okay. How about limit for r? Okay, limit for r, you can get it from this. So it will be 0 until 2. Okay. So next, what is the theta? Theta will be 0 until 2 pi. Okay. Because it's just a full cylinder. Okay, it's just a full cylinder. So means that the base here is a full circle, is it? So it's a full angle, 360. So it's with 2 pi. And how about how I get 2? Okay, it's just similar like your previous example. So there will be r square equal to 4 here. So r equal to plus minus 2. So we just consider a positive one. So it means that it's from 0 until 2. Okay, so now you just wait. You just proceed your calculation. Then the final answer supposed that you should get here is 3 pi e power 4 minus 1. Okay, class. So the important part here is on the how you transform from the Cartesian become the cylindrical coordinates. Okay, alright. Okay, so yeah, I will stop here. Then I will proceed in the next video for the example of spherical coordinates. Okay.